Hey guys, Rich here. Welcome back to the RCinformer YouTube channel. Today I got Miss Amy on the camera, and what I'm going to be showing you guys today is the new 1500 millimeter MAULE from FMS. This is in the blue paint scheme, and it comes with floats and all that. I literally just got it, slapped it together, and we're just going to take it up and fly. We'll talk about it after. You ready, babe?
Yep.
All right, here we go. Flight controls, everything's checked. I only flew it once, just took it up a little bit. We just got out to the park here, so I just thought I'd give you guys a little preview. It's available today. It's out now on the FMS Models website, so check the links below on where to get this. I still need trimming and tuning of it, but we figured we'd bring it out just to fly it for everybody. It's got a reflex in it, and I actually have that off right now. So here we go, taking off. It's got a nice light package on it and everything. I'm still getting used to it, so I've got the stabilizer off at the moment, and we have a heck of a wind here, so trying not to make a goal through that goal post over there.
That might be cool.
What's that?
That might be cool.
Well, yeah, I really don't want to do that. That wouldn't be that cool. But let me throw the reflex on, so now it's stabilizing the airplane a bit. But it really resists rolling with that stabilizer on a bit. But this is a real nice model, guys. Again, it's available now, and I just wanted to bring it out here real quick just to give everybody a little view of it. Let's go full throttle. I'm going to bring it up. I'm going to kick the rudder over, stall, turn it around. Really nice. And someone has to call me right now. Let me do a landing. You would think something bad was happening. Let me cancel my phone there. Here we go, let's take off again. There we go, going up with it. Real nice model. Again, it's 1500 millimeter, assembles with screws. No glues needed at all. I don't even have it really trimmed and tuned. I'm actually going to try it here with some, let's put some flaps down and see how it reacts. Yeah, it seems to be doing okay. I put in a little bit of, oh wow, it really comes in nice with that. MAULE aircraft is here in the United States, the full-scale airplane. So, this is a licensed version of it, so it's super, super nice. Again, I'm just getting used to it myself. It's got nice antennas. See those wing lights? Amy, can you get on those?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's got 2 landing lights on it, and it's got, there's a wingtip light. Can you see that green? You got that okay?
We're in the back?
No, look at the wingtip. The tip of the wing.
Oh, oh yeah.
You see the green light? She's letting her blonde out on us here, so. And then there's a red one on the other side. And nice little antennas on top. All right, there we go. There's that red one. Taking off, here we go. Stole, baby, going straight up with it. Let me go ahead and bring it around here. Yeah, you can see that reflex working. Once I get above the tree line, there's a ton of wind here. Roll it around, very nice, very nice. So let me bring it on down again. Flaps, I'm dropping them. Letting it come right in. See if I can get it to land short. There we go, it's a stole plane, that's what they do. Very, very nice. Full flap takeoff, you ready? This will be short, here we go. Up in the air quick. Very nice. And we got jets flying overhead, as you can probably tell. Coming by fast, here we go. That's maximum speed, full throttle. And we'll roll it here in the middle. I'm trying to keep it kind of up because we're at the park here, guys. I don't want to get too low. There are some people around, but not too many, so. Rudder that thing on. Man, the rudder on this thing works phenomenal. Holy smokes, I'm really impressed with it. Well, anyway, guys, these are available now. I just want to give you guys a quick intro flight to it just to show you how nicely it flies. This is just my second time out flying it, so I have to get a little bit more familiar with it as I get used to it. And then we'll get a little more comprehensive video out, but want to let everybody know we got links and discount codes below that you guys can get this airplane, so really nice. Tail went on with just a few screws also. I'm landing with a tailwind here. Real rough. I'm gonna kick the rudder around, drop some flaps, and bring it in sort of stole style here a little bit if I can. Not really. Well, it's so windy, you gotta be careful kicking the tail around like that, because you can kind of stall it real quick. So let's see. Yeah, that wind is beating us up here. Let's just take off here. There we go. Actually, I'm going to steep turn it out front for you. You ready? I'm just going to do some turns out front. Trying not to hit that goal. The wind is so strong from my left. There we go. Let me bring it up one more time. I'm going to stall, turn it here, kick that rudder again. Full flaps are down, power's off. There we go. It's windy. There we go. Absolutely outstanding.
Nice.
What do you think, baby?
Yeah, it's cool.
You like that? Not bad. Yeah. Let me take it up one more time. You ready? Here, I'm going to do another short takeoff again. Full flaps. Let's drop those. Let me turn it around. This way, the wind will not even let me turn that rudder. Let's bring it this way. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Short takeoff. It's going to go up in the air pretty quick, so pan out a bit. Full throttle, going vertical. And that's the performance it has. Again, nice big Tundra tires on it. Comes with floats so you can fly it off water, which we'll give you a video on that a little later. I just wanted to give you guys, like I said, a quick intro on the airplane so you guys could see it fly, and just sort of know that it is available right now. They just came out with it on FMS, on the FMS site. So there's full flaps. See if we can bring that in, little power. There we go. And that is it. So,
all right, nice.
Yeah, let me bring it on by here. Now, I was flying this, guys, on a 3200 pack. My time's kind of limited today, so I put my safety on there. I'm flying it on a Spectrum. Babe, see if you can zoom in right here. Right here. Amy's helped me film today. 3200 3-cell. I think it's a 35 C-pack, if I'm not mistaken, 30 C-pack Spectrum, and it fits front to back. It wedges in front to back, so it actually works pretty good. But that's in there. You can see we have one hatch here where that latches in place. There is also, Amy, if you can get on here, there's another hatch down below, which is your receiver bay. Can you get on that okay?
Okay. Okay,
so that fits in there nicely. And while we're on the underside, you guys can see that the landing gear bolts in with just 4 screws right here. You can see there. This is your rear float mount attachment. I usually put my straps right there and I screw those in so I don't lose those. But otherwise, the wing just plugs in. The wing has a couple of screws. Amy, I'm gonna get right here for you. Can you get right here for everybody?
Okay. 4
wing screws here with a spar that goes through. There's another screw right here. I don't know if you can get on that okay.
Okay.
That's for the wing strut, okay? And the tail goes on real easy. In fact, the tail, I'm gonna show you, Amy, if you wanna zoom right on these 2 screws, okay? Those 2 screws get the vertical on. After you put the horizontal on, there's 1 screw for the horizontal, or the horizontal, actually I take that back. It actually comes up through the bottom right here. You see that right there?
Yeah.
And that's it for the screws. There's 2 right here for these struts. And that's it. The airplane is assembled and ready to go. I slapped this thing together yesterday real quick.
Very nice.
What's that?
I said very nice.
Yeah, it is pretty cool. It's a nice little airplane. One of the things I do like about it too is it has really nice windows. Okay, and it's got a pretty cool, I don't know, can you see that pilot in there? I don't know if you can zoom on that or not. Can you zoom on him? You want to bring it up closer?
Yeah, no, I can see it.
You got him? Okay. There's a pretty cool pilot in there with really nice windows all the way around this thing. So I love the landing lights. There's 2 here. You can see, Amy, if you want to get, we already saw those in the air. This is broad daylight here, guys, in Florida sun. So we've got those lights, and then we got the wingtip lights, of course, that we already saw, prop and spinner. And then lastly, for a couple of details, right here on the canopy, Amy, you see those struts there? That's a real nice scale detail that they put in there, because the full scale actually has those struts. And I don't know if these are little stall fences, vortex generators, or antennas, but a lot of nice detail on the top of the wing with fuel caps, it looks like, probably some actuators. And then these 2 antennas are kind of neat too. And those actually just come right off. In fact, you slide those forward and they pop out of place. And probably when I transport this plane, I'll probably store these probably in the nose. But and then Amy and I will get this out on the water maybe this weekend or something, babe. We'll demo it for everybody. But a real nice flying model. Again, guys, a MAULE aircraft. This is their FMS's 1500 millimeter version of the airplane. Again, comes with floats. It's got a real nice cockpit with some instruments in it and stuff, but really nice. So guys, if you're interested in one of these, we'll do a more comprehensive video. We'll probably do an unboxing this weekend as well for everybody, so you guys can see you know, how this goes together. Again, it's just screwed together real easily. But we'll have discount codes for you guys, and we'll have links below that'll take you right to the product page, and that supports our channel. So as always, guys, if you like the content here, like and subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, it'll let you know when we have new uploads coming, and we'll get to the unboxing and a float demo of this thing pretty soon. That was just our second flight on the airplane. We've had it out, we just took it out and just did a little flying around to get Amy used to the camera and all that, but again, this is available now at FMS, so check it out there. Miss Amy, thank you very much for filming, and we'll be with you on another video. Stay tuned. Again, hit that notification bell so you know when we put up another video. So as always, guys, thanks for watching RC Informer. Thanks for supporting us. And as always, we'll see y'all next time.